What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Cloud back at it again with another video for y'all. Today I got an unboxing for y'all. As you can see, I got this package in my hand. I just grabbed it from the door. Today is February 14th, Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day to y'all if y'all on that type shit. I ain't got no girlfriend, but fuck all that extra shit. I'm trying to get this paper. This the unboxing. This a little receipt printer and shit. I'm finna unbox this bitch. I just ripped it open, but I forgot. Like, I might as well show content on this hoe. So we shot this video, and finna pull it out right now. This the package right here. Alright, YouTube, this the package right here. Hopefully y'all can hear me well and shit. It came separate like this. These are the receipt papers. I ordered 5 extra ones. Put this side. Boom. It's a little mini printer. I don't know if this receipt size is gonna be big enough. This shit was from my bad. I ordered this from Temu. It was like $20 shit. I don't know if it's there. It was like a sticker printer, one of them little kitty printers, I guess. I think this is thermal paper, or this might be regular paper as well. But my extras, I ordered regular paper. But this how it came perfect. Plastic, and this came bubble wrap. All of this packaging. But mini printer, little Chinese writing on there. English printing, long battery life, and text printing. As you can see, then we got photo printing, label printing, and then document printing. So, I'm gonna open this up for y'all on camera. So it came with the printer, a manual, and a charger. Box, keep that there. Bass is over here. Alright, so it's kinda heavy, got some weight to it. See the power button. This is it though. We got a charging port right here, USB-C. I gotta figure out how to work this thing, but once I figure it out, I'll figure it out soon. We got the power button right here. But yeah, that's it. The small receipt printer. So crack this thing. Extra, this is all the excess shit that it came with. The manual, charger, as I just shown you. I believe these are like markers to like do some sort of artwork or maybe ink some of the paper. But yeah, this is the receipt paper it came with. This is regular paper, not thermal. This is the extra that I ordered. It came with 5 rolls. All in all, that was like $20. This is the printer here, and yeah, it's charging right now. As you can see, it has a light. It's red, so I believe that it's probably low battery. But I'm gonna let it charge and then come back for you all. All right, YouTube, we're back. This is the printer. I got a heater right here. I'm gonna cut that off. But we're back. This is the printer. Like I said, it's charging. It has the red light to indicate that it's charging right there. We got the power button right here. Then we got this button and this button. And we push these, well, we don't push them in. We just kind of like squeeze them and lift it up. And boom. This opens right up. Mine already came with the receipt paper in there. I actually want to pull it out a little bit just to see how the receipt paper is placed in there exactly, because I know there's a certain way to do it. But yeah, so this is the roll. So that's why the package came with 4 rolls previously. This is the extra one, but this came in the printer. So yeah, I believe it was this way. I did just turn it upside down, but What's good, YouTube? So I just printed out the receipt. This is the second one. I was trying to show y'all how to print it out and show it printing out at the same time, but I have to print it from off my phone, so I was recording off my other phone. So these are the two receipts with the printer, two Nordstrom's receipts and shit. And now I'm on the phone and I'm about to have y'all watch this joint, so you know exactly what to do. What's good, YouTube? So this is the iPrint app. This is what my receipt look like. I just printed it out through the mini printer and shit. Like I said, this isn't standard size. This isn't 20 by 80 millimeter or 50 by 80 millimeter. So it is a little small, but it look like one of those pop-up shop receipts, and it'll still pass. But yeah, this is the mini printer receipt. I am finna rip it and print again so y'all could watch the printout process. I did just do a little screen recording on this, and I was gonna do a voiceover about it, about how to make the receipt. But pretty much you just want to get a real receipt in hand, like from the store yourself, or you want to just Google one, and it'll pretty much look like this for this store right here. And you could also just switch the stores and the addresses and logos and just switch shit around. But as you can see within the app, this app is called iPrint, and it's linked to this mini printer once you buy it. So it automatically sets up and the printer is Bluetooth. But through the app to set up the receipt, you just want to go to graphic editing. As you see, it doesn't really save like drafts. You can only save the one that you most recently opened. So you got to keep remaking it. Or you could just, after I reset up this like template, because I accidentally deleted it to see if it was going to save the draft. But once I reset up this template, I'll forever keep it, and then I'll just keep editing it and change the stores and addresses and prices and products. But that's pretty much how you print out and draw up the receipt within the app. I am about to go back and show you all exactly what it looks like when you print. So it says, do you want to save this draft? I'm going to click yes. So when I come back to, edit that receipt or edit any receipt, I'll just use the same template. But I'm going to go to my print record. This is how you find your old print. So you go to my account, you go to print record, and then you click on your print record, which I just printed today, as you can see, February 16th at 10 in the morning. I'm about to rip this one off. Okay, so I just ripped that old receipt off. Now I'm about to print. Print, so that's exactly what it looks like. You do the whole, make sure everything looks good. Boom, boom, boom. It gives you the length after you type everything in and set your receipt up, print def and stuff. And like I said, this isn't standard receipt size, so it's printing out right now. It prints a little bit slow, but it's okay. It's not a problem. So this is what the receipt looks like. Watch that print out. You on hand, though. Price, you got Baccarat Rouge 40 with the serial number that matches the box serial number, 540. And you just roll the receipt up. You could fold it up a little bit, make it a little bit more realistic, but that's pretty much it. And you got receipts. This is the easiest receipt printer method, guys. This printer is only $20. You get it straight from Temu. It comes with this app. It takes like 15 to 20 minutes to set up you a nice little receipt template. You can copy this one if you want. It's very simple to do. It's very simple to work this app. It's very easy. So you shouldn't really have many problems. Like I said, I'm going to be getting an 80 millimeter printer soon as well. So I'm going to shoot a video for you all on that too. I might have to connect it to the computer. It depends on the type of printer that I buy. So stay on the lookout for that. That's why you all got to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. If this video helped you or you found this printer and it was useful to you, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more content based around things like this. But yeah, this is pretty much the video. I'm out. This is the receipt. Let's go. Alright, YouTube, so as you can see in that previous video, I just showed y'all how to print and where to go to make the receipt. I'm going to show y'all again on the screen recording from the phone like I said I would. So you go to iPrint app, that's linked to the mini printer that you just bought. You go to graphic editing and you start setting it up with text boxes. To print out, you go to my account, you go to print record, and it shows your most recent printed receipts. So you don't have to save those drafts, but you can just reprint them. You can't save drafts at all within this app. You can only save one at a time. So you have to have one receipt template and you have to keep editing it. You feel me? Changing the stores, the addresses, the prices, and the products, the dates, etc., etc. Um, it is probably like a 10-minute process to make each receipt, but it's not bad. I am showing y'all how to do it by just adding a text box, type the name of the store, and etc. You just keep layering it, and it's really simple. To do this from start to finish is probably like 15 to 20 minutes. So yeah, I recommend you just setting up one template and then use that template forever, and you could just continuously change the store's names and products and prices, like I said. But pretty much that's it for using this printer. All you gotta do is have the printer and the app and a Bluetooth device, and you can print. But yeah, as you can see, I'm layering up the receipt right here. And this was just an example, so I ended it. But that's pretty much how you set it up. I'm going to go back to the receipt that I had printed already. And boom. So anytime I ever need a Baccarat Rouge receipt, I can actually just go back to this one and it will work. So if I wanted to change something around, I would just change the product and the price, or I would change the store and the product and the address. You feel me? Like, but you could keep the same template even though the app doesn't let you save drafts. So that's pretty much it for this whole iPrint app and mini printer. This is the easiest receipt printing method, guys. You don't need a computer. You can order this from Temu right now for just 11 bucks, and it comes with receipt printer paper. It also comes with the USB-C charger. This is a portable printer as well, so this is very handy. I do recommend purchasing this. I am gonna trying to find one that's just as easy to work with and just as similar. That's 80 millimeters, so that the standard receipt size can be like a little bit more realistic. But other than that, it's just perfect. It's your boy Clout. I'm out. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Gang.